Unlock attraction secrets, get your crush to like you. Meeting someone you like can be exciting and nerve-wracking. You want to make a great impression and capture their heart. Here's how you can get your crush to like you. First, be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Pretending to be someone you're not will only cause difficulties later on. Let your true personality shine. Confidence is crucial. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Confidence without arrogance draws people in. It's appealing and shows self-assurance. Take time to get to know them. Ask about their interests, hobbies, and passions. Show genuine interest in what they say. People love being heard and understood. Compliment them sincerely. Notice the little things and mention them. A well-placed compliment can brighten their day and make you memorable. Share your interests as well. Talk about your hobbies and passions. It creates a balanced conversation and allows them to see what excites you. Be supportive and encouraging. Celebrate their achievements and offer a shoulder during tough times. This builds trust and deepens your connection. Humor is powerful. Share a laugh and show your playful side. A good sense of humor can break the ice and create a fun, relaxed atmosphere. Respect their space and boundaries. Everyone needs personal time and space. Respecting this shows maturity and consideration, qualities that are highly appreciated. Dress well and maintain good hygiene. First impressions are important, and how you present yourself speaks volumes. Make an effort to look your best. Initiate meaningful conversations. Discuss topics that spark interest and go beyond small talk. This can make your interactions more memorable and engaging. Be patient. Relationships take time to build. Rushing things can be counterproductive. Allow the bond to develop naturally and steadily. Lastly, show kindness and compassion. Treat others well and be a positive force in their life. Genuine kindness is always endearing and hard to resist.